Final discussions are underway as the state pushes to make changes to SNAP benefits. Colorado is one of 18 states that applied for a waiver to restrict sugary drinks from being purchased.
This is a first for the USDA. It is offering these waivers under the Make America Healthy Again initiative. If a state board approves, those changes would happen by the end of April. Your reporter Karen Morfitt was there as the board heard from a variety of stakeholders this morning.
Change would eliminate the use of SNAP benefits on things like soda, Gatorade, or energy drinks. What the state says is a push to keep Coloradans healthy, while anti-hunger organizations disagree, saying more restrictions is not the answer. For Coloradans who rely on SNAP benefits for groceries, a major change around what you can and cannot buy is on the table.
This has been a long priority of Governor Polis to provide healthy options and to look at how we can make healthy choices for Coloradans.
The state applied and was granted a waiver from the USDA to restrict benefit recipients from buying sugary drinks. That means any non-alcoholic beverage that contains natural or artificial sweeteners and beverages that have less than 50% juice.
Policy change of this size could prevent 279,000 cases of obesity and a projected cost savings of $2.75 billion in healthcare costs.
That information was presented Friday to Colorado's State Board of Human Services. They're now tasked with allowing or denying the implementation of that waiver, which a number of anti-hunger organizations across Colorado oppose.
I just think that giving people more money to buy more healthy food is what they are asking for. They're not asking for restrictions and stigma around what they purchase.
Angelique Prazertong works with the nonprofit Nourish Colorado. The group worked with Colorado Department of Human Services on a nutrition incentive program already in place. Rather than taking options away, it gives SNAP participants more money to buy healthy, fresh produce.
It's not that they don't want those foods, it's that they simply can't afford them.
State leaders say they're working to balance their proposed restrictions by also submitting waivers to allow hot food purchases and better access to farmers markets.
We recognize that there will be a lot of voices in the room. We appreciate that that is an opportunity to help us get the policy right.
According to Banker, Colorado is the first Democratic-led state to apply for the waiver. There will be a vote on those changes come March, and if approved, those changes will be made by the end of April. In Denver, Karen Morfitt covering Colorado First.